Tired of scrolling through a cluttered, confusing Jira board? Let's dive into customizing your Jira interface, ensuring a cleaner look and feel for optimal team performance, and transforming your project management. First, we will focus on the board layout. Navigate to your project's board settings from here. You have options: select the column layout, and observe different ways to organize your workflow. You could rearrange columns, add new ones, and name them to align perfectly with your team's processes, such as to do, in progress, review, and done. Next, we'll look at issue cards within your board settings. Pick card layout. Customize the information displayed on each issue card. You can add or remove fields such as assignee, priority, due date, or labels to clutter by showing only the essentials. To create a clear, concise visual representation, tailor the information to the most important information relevant to each project. This customization will help your team easily navigate your processes. Now, let's improve the visual appeal. Consider color coding issues based on status, priority, or assignee. This is done through the board settings and card colors. Using distinct colors can significantly enhance readability. Look for consistent and easy to understand color schemes. It will instantly highlight urgent tasks or those requiring immediate attention. Don't overdo it. A simple, consistent palette is best. Finally, consider using a consistent naming convention for your issues. Define these through your project's settings. Using clear, concise, and understandable issue titles ensures your team can quickly grasp the context of each task and fosters better communication and improved understanding. Following these simple steps, you can create a Jira interface that's not only visually appealing but also boosts productivity. Remember to tailor the configuration to your unique work style. Subscribe for more Jira tips.